Hello everyone, my name is Mike and I am the creator of SignalFlare. Today we'll be taking you through how to install SignalFlare and use it on your Google Analytics, because we believe your analytics should tell your story. And to do that, we put your context directly in your charts so that all of the information that's required to understand what's happening in your analytics is presented right where you need it most. Let's begin. Below in the description, you'll find a link to SignalFlare in the Chrome Web Store. Let's click on that and you'll come over to this page in the Web Store. And you want to click Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. This will install the extension into your browser so that you have SignalFlare at your fingertips wherever and whenever you need it. It'll be available up in your toolbar here, but in order to make sure that it's always there, right-click on it and hit Pin. If it's already disappeared, it's under this puzzle piece in your toolbar. Find it below and hit the pin there. That way, the SignalFlare icon is always available in your extension toolbar, and you'll be able to make your notes whenever you find inspiration. So now that it's installed and it's in our toolbar, the next step for you will be to create an account. So click on that, and you'll see here the SignalFlare UI, and you'll hunt for this button down here for create an account. I already have an account, so I'll just be logging in, but you'll be creating an account when you go through it for the first time. There we go. And I'm logged in and the UI is up and running. Everything's great. Let's slide over to Google Analytics and see how to use SignalFlare. I'll slide over here to my Google Analytics. And you'll see here in my charts, we've got some spikes and some dips, and it's really, kind of noisy. But I know what I did, earlier this month. We launched SignalFlare on various, platforms. We announced our 1.0 and got it up in the Chrome Web Store, and that was back in September. So let's make that note here. We'll go back over and show you what I'm doing here. In the SignalFlare UI, you click on Add Note, and then you bring up, and you type anything you want in here. I'm going to go SignalFlare version 1.0, and that happened in September, and hit save. And with that, we now have some context around what's happening in our charts. We know that this spike is associated with the email blast that went out for our launch, the traffic we got from various announcement sites, and that context is available in all our charts and everything we do. So now as we're going through SignalFlare, we'll add our information to the charts so that we can align our activity with the measured output. It works here in Google Analytics and in Search Console. So let's slide over there and show you how that looks. In Search Console as well, your SignalFlare will add the annotations to your charts, and it'll give you the context you need to understand what you're doing and the effect that it's having in your analytics. And that's it. That's the magic of SignalFlare. Make simple notes, record your activities as you do them, and then when you're going back and looking at your analytics later, your context will be presented right inside your charts, and you'll be able to understand what's working in your business today and what you need to do more of tomorrow. Thank you.